Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert sales call transcripts into lead profiles using AI. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you need to turn your voice call into a transcript using some AI tools online. After that, grab your transcript and paste it into the Google Sheet under a column named Transcript. Next, install the GPT for Sheets and Docs add-on. Go to Extensions on Google Sheet, click on Add Add-ons, search for GPT for Work. Now download this one. Now beside each transcript, add a column with a formula like this: equal GPT, from this sales call, extract lead name, company, key pain points, budget, and next steps in a short profile. This prompts ChatGPT to read the transcript in cell and output a structured profile like name, company name, pain points, budget, and agreed follow-up actions. It's a fast way to turn messy conversation into actionable data. So that's it. Paste your transcript, add GPT formula, and your work is done. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.